Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we have to discuss about the variables, values as well as data types. Okay. See, actually in previous video we have to discuss about the Python basics, how to print the output as well as how to we did some few operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. See, likewise in this video we will discuss about the what is data type and as well as what is variable and what is value. Okay, see, first what is a variable? Okay, na? See, variable. See, in this word, the word is the word simply indicates it's a variation. Variation means change. Okay, here the word completely indicates first variation means change. Okay, that's why this is we are calling as variable. Okay, here the variable means it's continuously changing. Suppose here the definition of the variable is, okay, the definition of the variable is like a container for storing values. Okay, variable is like a container for storing values which it will be changed based on the situation or based on the inputs. Okay, this is called variable. Okay, see, variable means, see, variables are like containers for storing values. Values in the variables can be changed. Okay. See, variable. See, that means here the variables can be changed. Here, see, we have see some. We have to see some examples. See, the variable names. Okay, the variable name is, suppose here I'm keeping a as a variable. Here I'm keeping a is equal to 78. Okay, here a is called variable. Okay, here a is called variable. Okay, likewise, suppose b is another variable. This is called 67. Okay, next c is another variable. This is Ashok. Okay, this and d is another variable. This is the boolean value like true or false. Okay, next, the variable names are your wish. Here not your means having some few conditions. Okay, suppose first digit, small letters and capital letters also we have to use. Okay, first digit, um first digit is equal to something. Okay, first digit is equal to, suppose 70, first digit is equal to 2, and capital letters also we have to use. Okay, underscore we have to use. Okay, the some naming specifications are there for variables. We will discuss it later. Okay, simply this is called variable. Okay, simply this is called variable. Here what I said, variable can be changed. Here I am saying, suppose first here a is equal 7 I am giving. Okay, here a is equal 7 I am giving. Here simply see print a. Okay, simply see print a. Now the output is 7. Now the output is 7. Here what I am saying, now a value I am changing here. Now the a value is 8. See here the a value, the here a is a variable, the value can be changed. See, now the output will be print 8. Okay, initially initially in a variable 7 is stored. Now the value changed to 8. Then now the value in the variable is 8. Okay, likewise the variables can be changed. Simply this is called variables, friends. Okay, next, values. Okay, here values means, see, values are some information. Okay, here values means some information. Already previous I told you. Here I'll show one picture to you. See these jars. Okay, see here these jars are like, okay, here these jars are like containers. Okay, in these containers we have to store different types of juices, water, milk, any liquid item. Okay, any liquid item we have to stored in this jars. But here see, jars are fixed. Because see, jars are fixed. Here there is no change in the container. The material in the container will be changed. See, observe what suppose here what I am saying, the complete jar is there. In that jar, whatever material we have to change, but jar is not changing. Okay, here jar is called variable. Okay, here jar, the fixed jar is a fixed position, that is the variable. Whatever material in that jar is called value. Okay, whatever material in the jar is called value. Okay, likewise in Python is also, not only Python, any programming language. Okay, the value should be changed in the variable. Okay, whatever information we are giving to the variable, that information is called value. Okay, that information is called value. The value is in different types. Okay, the value is in different types, like numbers, strings, boolean values. Different types are there. Okay, these are called simply values. For suppose in this example you have to see here, previous what I told, here a is called variable, and this 7 is called value. Okay, this 7 is called value. Your wish. Suppose here I am giving, see, here I am giving one string value. This, here I am giving one string, this is called also value. Okay, this is also value, this is also value, this is also value. Okay, these alphabets here we are calling as variables. Okay, here variables are the fixed positions, but values will be changed in the particular variables. Okay, this is the concept about the variables and values, friends. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. Then after, we will go to the next topic, that is data type. Okay, that is data type. See, friends, here data type means, here what, here previous what I told, values I told. Okay, values I told. That value means information told. Information means data. Not exact here. Data is different, information is different, but here just we have to imagine. Okay, information means some data first. Okay, first you have to think some data. Okay, little bit variation is there, what is information, what is data is there, but see, first here you have to think some information. Okay, data is also like some information. That information is in the different forms. Okay, here that information cause. Okay, um that here that information is called value. That information here we are saying as data. That data is in the different forms. Okay, that data is in the different forms. Here see, the data is in the formation is first like strings, integers, float values, and boolean values. Okay, here first what is a string? String means, okay, here first what is a string? Here string means some alphabetical data, like which is included in the double quotations, which is included in the double quotation, this is called string. Okay, this is called string. And suppose one letter is also there, this is the string. Whatever information, okay, whatever information included in between the double quotations, those are also numbers also. Okay, whatever information which is enclosed in between the double quotations, that information we are called as string. Okay, that information we are called as string. Next, what is integer? Okay, what is integer? Here simply we are calling as int. Integer means in basic mathematics. In basic mathematics, when we are in fourth standard and fifth standard, at that time we have to read about what is integer. Integer means the combination of positive numbers, the combination of positive numbers and negative numbers. Okay, positive number and negative numbers along with zero. Okay, along with zero is, okay, along with zero are called integers. Okay, are called integers. See, in this we have, okay, in integers we have positive numbers, 5, 4 comma 5 comma 7 comma 8, as well as 0 also include, as well as negative numbers, -7, -9, whatever, with a number which is along with negative sign, those are called negative numbers. Okay, see, these are called integers. Okay, these are called integer values. We will discuss about integers in a few future chapters. Okay, next concept is float. Okay, next concept is float values. Okay, next concept is float value. the integer value along with the decimal places. Okay, decimal part like 2.35. Okay, 2.35. 6.847. Okay, see here, friends. Okay, see here 2.35 is there. This 2, okay, this 2 we are calling as integral part. Okay, this 2 is called integral part, and this point is called decimal part. Okay, this is called integral part, and this is decimal. This is called decimal point, and this is called decimal point. Okay, this is called decimal point. See, this is that 35. Okay, after decimal point we are calling as individual digits like 3547. Likewise, that's why here 35 we are calling as decimal part. Okay, and here also same, here 6 is called integral part, as well as 345 is the decimal part, and this is the decimal point. This type of formation we are calling as, this type of representation we are calling as floating numbers. Okay, float values or floating numbers, whatever may be. Okay, next the final concept is the Boolean values. Okay, Boolean. Okay, Boolean, simply in Python we have just majorly we are using true or false. Okay, true or false, but we have different formation zeros and yeah. Okay, in our regular life we are also, we have two situations, yes or no situations. Likewise in Python is also same. Okay, yes or no, true or false, 0 or 1. Okay, likewise we have Boolean values, but in Python the first letter is capital letters will come in Python. Okay, this is the Boolean values. See, simply see here, friends. Total first data types means, see, yeah, every language or data has an associated type to known as the data type. Okay, this is the string, integer, float, and boolean. Okay, see, likewise the data type determines how to value or data can be used in the program for in mathematical operations and integers, float, different situations are there. Okay, already previous I told you string means alphabets, numbers, the information in between the double quotes. Okay, the information in between the double quotes is called string values. This is in different formation, capital letters, small letters, digits, special characters like. Okay, next, as well as integer, I told you, along with the negative numbers, positive numbers, along with zero is called integers. Like float values is also same. Okay, this is also having integral part as well as decimal part, along with decimal point is called float values. Like boolean is also same. See, in general case, in anything that can be take one of the two possible values is considered as a boolean. Example including the data can be take values like true or false, yes or no, 0 or 1, on and off. Like this type of situation we are calling as boolean. Okay, I think you hope I hope you understand, my friends. This is the this is for this is last for this video. I hope you understand. Thank you so much, friends.